Green beans are added to onions, green chilies, ginger and garlic and cooked with a special blend of spices to make this delicious East Indian green beans. I can't believe it's taken me this long to make this recipe. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, I'm going to show you how to make green beans with East Indian masala. This is such a simple recipe. It's one of my husband's favorite vegetarian dishes and we make it pretty much all the time. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. There are two ways to slice the beans. If I'm in a rush, I do a very simple slice. But if I have a bit more time, I like to slice the bean diagonally. This gives a bit more surface area for the spice blend to stick. In a kadai or a pan, I'm going to heat some oil. Add 2 cups of sliced onions and I'm just going to allow these to caramelize. I'm going to add a bit of salt to help caramelize the onions faster. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sliced green chilies. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Mix this well together to allow the raw ginger and garlic flavor to cook off. Next, I'm going to add in all of the green beans that I've sliced. Mix this well together with the onion mixture. Next, I'm going to add a special ingredient. I'm using 1 bouillon cube. This is 10.5 grams. You can add vegetarian or even chicken. I like to chop this cube into smaller pieces so it's easy to absorb. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of East Indian masala. If you don't have East Indian masala, you can also substitute 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you want to buy some East Indian masala, I do have a good source, both in Toronto and in India. I will plop those links in the description. Next, I'm going to add half a cup of water. Put a lid on it as we want this to cook in its own steam. Add salt to taste. Cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes and this is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this very delicious green bean recipe made with Eastern masala. But like I mentioned in the video, you can also make it using a combination of other spices. It's absolutely delicious and it's great on your table for your family and friends to enjoy. If you love this recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me a comment so I know what you think about this video. Also, let me know what other recipes you're looking for and I'll try to make those for you as well. And don't forget, share my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes. And follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.